Ito na naman mga idol, bagong laban ng ating kababayan na sa Melvin Jerusalem.
Oh! And just like that, right hand on the butt.
Napakagandang performance talaga ang pinakita ni Melvin Jerusalem mga idol. Pinabagsak niya dito ang kanyang kalaban. Halina't panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanilang laban.
Each advantage, Luis Castillo. So how do you think Melvin should approach this bout, knowing that
power shot is the right hand, the right straight, so he has to set it up.
He needs to make sure that whatever will not land.
And there goes that right hand.
And speaking of landing, diba? Right hand for Jerusalem. Jerusalem goes to the body.
Jerusalem attack, body.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. Low and wide stance here for Jerusalem. Pinapahirapan niya ngayon si Castillo kasi Castillo really needs to either go low or he needs to. The way to counter that is to go wide as well.
And so far, medyo nanenegate ni Melvin.
Yes, not exactly. Whoa!
And on the butt!
What's going on?
Just like that's the killer. That's the killer right there.
Right hand, Will Melvin.
And Melvin is going for
Jerusalem.
Finish this fight.
The pressure. Oh my God! For dear life.
And what a round for Melvin. This building is just electric.
Jerusalem is cutting the angles of Luis Castillo. He has very good command of the center. Kamay niya doon. See? Yun, pato yung kanang kamay sa katawan.
As Castillo loses,
Huge props to him for that one.
left hook from Jerusalem lands.
Switching it up.
Oh, maganda.
Right hand from Jerusalem lands again.
I don't know kung anong gustong implement na strategy ni Castillo.
And Jerusalem is still attacking that body, hoping for some dividends later on in the fight.
That flurry.
If you're Jerusalem's head coach, Michael Domingo, you have to be happy with your work.
Yeah.
Fighting as planned, not getting reckless, hindi siya nanggigil. Oh, that was a sneaky left hook there by Castillo.
Oh, wow. Beautiful uppercut.
The exchange
to Jerusalem.
as he receives a left hook from
To the earlier rounds.
good right hand again from Jerusalem.
In the opening bell.
But Castillo doesn't have to have that same snap in his punches as earlier rounds.
Buhos lahat sa early rounds. Diba? If you're watching Melvin Jerusalem, he got that knockdown in the first round, pero he stayed the course, he was patient, he wasn't being reckless here. The uppercut by Jerusalem snapping the head of Luis Castillo.
Tapos na si Jerusalem sa kanan, sa kaliwa naman siya.
Good 1-2.
Okay.
1-1-2 from
Hindi pa rin talaga.
and followed up with that right hand once again.
That definitely got Castillo's attention.
And
Coming from the shorter guy.
Ideally, kasi
Yung footwork din talaga ni Melvin
oh.